Okay.
Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is May 4th, 2022, and Bitcoin has broken out of its falling wedge. Finally broken out. The breakout is confirmed. All right, I'm on the 4-hourly time frame, and I'm seeing that we've broken resistance, okay? And this resistance that we formed since the 21st of April was our falling wedge, our descending wedge that Bitcoin's broken out of, and it's testing the upper boundary of our descending broadening channel or descending broadening wedge or our megaphone pattern, okay? So I think that the next target for Bitcoin is $42,300 thereabouts, okay? That is the next target I'm seeing for Bitcoin, right? So very clearly, I think now we can even start to get into our Elliott wave impulse, because I believe that we are beginning an impulse, and if we do indeed hit that target of 42.3, all right, and we bounce down for our two-wave correction. Our two-wave correction can even come as far as, right, the 618 of the one wave. So right here, something like this. It can come as far down as this 39,000, right, where you see this peak in the VPVR, the horizontal volume indicator, where most of the buying and selling is done, right, and then blast off once again to test resistance of our ascending channel, which is currently around 52,000, and then bounce down once again for a wave 4 correction to a maximum of 382 of that wave 3, and then bounce up once again for our all-time high. This is what I'm seeing in our progression of price action for Bitcoin in the coming weeks, okay? And just going to the daily time frame, just to make sure that this all fits in our frame, I don't think that this will take too long, okay? I've got this all the way here in August. This is not accurate. Actually, a more accurate representation of this would be something like this, okay? And this is based off of the work that I did, the analysis that I did in yesterday's live stream. If you didn't catch that, I'm going to link to it to the top right now. But essentially, I think that this next run to the upside is going to be a 6 to 8 week ordeal, okay? I'm seeing 6 to 8 weeks positive price action, and for us to make new all-time highs, okay? We could make a new all-time high by just hitting, the 70K region, or we can go as high as the 100K region, okay? And I talked about that in yesterday's live stream. If you missed it, once again, I'm going to link to it to the upper right of this video, okay? So that's what I'm seeing in Bitcoin. The positive price action has begun. I know a lot of people are bearish at support. That's fine. There will always be people that are bearish at support. I think, the best thing is just to ignore them and, execute your plan of action, right? This is where you make your money. All this time you're waiting, you're consolidating. A lot of people get chopped up. Maybe you're leverage trading for some minimal gains, but the big money is made now. Buying low, buying altcoins, buying Bitcoin low, and selling once this progression to the top is complete. So that's pretty much it. Let's go into our favorite altcoins. Ravane, on the verge of breaking out as well. This is a relatively smaller cap altcoin, right? A little more volatile. And so you expect these moves to be a little less gradual. You see a lot of wicking on the daily. So you're going to see quick moves, quick wicks to the upside in Ravane. So I'm still expecting my next target to be at 882.00882, okay, which is the next major resistance that I'm seeing on the charts. It's basically, if you go to weekly and daily level, I see that a lot of wicks, a lot of price action is respecting that level. Okay, so that's my next major resistance. That's where I'm taking profit. After that, I'm pretty much leaving it until the 1, 2, 3, 6 of my A wave. Okay, and again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I went over this in detail in yesterday's Tuesday live stream. Right, Kadena, same deal. It's consolidating. We're oversold on the daily RSI, stochastic RSI. It's going to make a big move. Expect big moves once Bitcoin dominance drops. But Bitcoin's going to rally a little bit once it's consolidating. Expect these altcoins, these smaller cap altcoins, to rally. Kadena, next major resistance I'm seeing at $9.93 thereabouts. Okay, the same reasons. On the weekly and daily time frame, I'm seeing that level respected by quite a lot of price action. And last but not least, Verasity. I'm also seeing a breakout soon. Very nice coiling on the daily time frame. I know a lot of you guys have seen these analyses ad nauseum. It's very frustrating not to get any price action because we've just been in consolidation. We've just been sort of not doing much of anything for quite some time, but that's the nature of this game. You need to be able to be composed during consolidation, and then you have to be able to act and execute when price action actually moves. Price action is going to move very, very soon. Next major resistance I'm seeing for Verasity, 3.3 cents. That's it for me. Hope this was helpful. Hope this was useful. Like, share, and subscribe. Do hit the bell notification for daily Bitcoin updates, occasional altcoin updates like the one you see here, and weekly live streams every Tuesday at 4 to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take care, everyone. Bye.